Do you want to clear all your bookmarks on X? If your bookmarks section is full of old saved posts you no longer need, you can remove everything in just a few simple steps. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Now tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu. From here, tap on Bookmarks. You'll now see all of the posts and tweets you've saved over time. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the More Options icon. From the menu that appears, tap on Clear All Bookmarks. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove everything. Tap Clear to confirm. X will instantly remove all saved bookmarks from your account, and your bookmarks section will now be completely empty. This is useful if you want to clean up your account, remove old saved posts, or simply start fresh with a new bookmarks list. Keep in mind, once the bookmarks are cleared, you won't be able to restore them unless you save the posts again manually.